Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand control. Click and expand NSI. Click and expand first folder. Right-click folder name 26. Click permissions. Check full control, apply, OK. Close and minimize registry editor. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space int space IP space reset. Close and exit command prompt. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.